Okay. And then once we introduce Kalyani Vibhasham Garu, she will give the course overview, and then she will interact with the students and do a quick evaluation about the students. And then after that, we will have introduction of Sapraguru Ramachari Garu. He will join little late to this session, and then at the end we will give you the course logistics about when the classes will start, how many batches we will be having, and what will be the batch size, and other details will be given at the end. After that, we are open to question and answers for the parents. So parents can ask any questions they have at the end of the session. With that, I will ask our CEO, Naveen Chikoti, to start the session by giving an overview about the Saptara.
Thank you, Amar. And good morning, everyone. Hope everybody is doing good and having a good Saturday morning so far. And before we start, I just want to ask all the kids, are your parents around? Is your mom or dad around? If so, can you please ask them to join as well? This is definitely for your parents as well. They will get lots of information about how our vocal course is going to be. So I see, few kids only, maybe Shekhar, Satish, if you have your, couple of other folks, Uday, Naga, Anusha, whoever, Ashrit, if you have your parent next to you, give me a thumbs up. Great, good. And if your parent is not next to you, take a minute to go and call your mom or dad.
We don't hear anything.
Are others able to hear me okay?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Yes.
So it looks like, okay, perfect. Yeah, so as Amar mentioned in the agenda, the primary objective of this session is to provide an overview of Saptora and basically specifically our vocal course. And we have a very experienced and renowned teacher, Srimati Kalyani Dvibhasham Garu, and this whole vocal program is designed and kind of run by the renowned musical teacher, musician, singer, Ramachari Komanduri Garu. So in this session, we'll go through basically how Saptara vocal course is designed, and overall about how Saptara kind of operates. And we get lots of time directly from our teacher Kalyani Garu, and also we get to basically hear from Ramachari Garu, and he will basically provide his kind of words of wisdom, and also answer any questions and answers that you have about vocal or Carnatic music. And then we also basically go through some of the information about the course, timing, schedules, things like that, the logistics. And definitely we want to make sure that we have enough time for Q&A. So I promise I'm not going to take too much time boring you about Saptora, but there are a couple of things that we want to specifically mention, especially for those of you who haven't heard about Saptora before, or maybe this is the first time that you're introduced to Saptora. So Saptora is an online academy, and want to emphasize on the word academy. We are not just a marketplace where we are connecting teachers and students. We are a school, or we are an academy. We partner and we work with talented teachers like Kalyani Garu, and also advisors like Ramachari Garu in various streams of learning, and connect them with our students, and get them trained using a very structured and curriculum-based training. So we differ from other institutes, or maybe other places, in the way that it's an academy. It's run by by advisors, teachers, and a very structured, consistent, and curriculum-based courses. Amar, can you move to the next slide, please? So why Saptora? Or maybe our parents, or to some extent even teachers, right? I mentioned about curriculum-based training, or I mentioned about advisors and teachers. So what's the benefit for the students with that approach? So the primary benefit is it's not random training. It's a curriculum-based training. So we have our courses, we have various levels. There is a lot of thought and basically experience put into that curriculum, and it's designed by very well-known and accomplished advisors, and then also taught by experienced teachers. For example, in this course, in this example for the vocal, we have Ramachari himself as the advisor, and then in our our teacher Kalyani Garu as a teacher for this course. And we do have other teachers too, but for this batch, we have Srimati Kalyani Garu as our experienced teacher. And then with that approach, we can provide continuous and also consistent learning experience, so that any course that you take, you have the similar experience, or the same consistent experience across various areas your student is learning from us. And also within the course, as the student basically progresses in his learning, let's say he goes from beginner to, let's say, maybe advanced, right? As the teachers change, or maybe as things change, let's say maybe your schedules change, and basically you have to join another batch, you get the same experience. The teacher may be changing, or maybe you may be joining from one batch to another batch, but you get the same consistent experience. And also we have, apart from the teaching, we are building a lot of bonus material. There are forums where students can interact with each other, lots of online resources that we are developing, and there will be a lot of free webinars and sessions and many more from student standpoint. So it's not just what you are getting in this 1 hour learning, but there is a lot more that is provided to students. Similarly, for parents, we all understand how busy and hectic it is for, especially for young parents, and that's where basically we have designed a very easy to use platform with lots of flexible schedules, and it has lots of tools and features that will make the parents' life very easy, like reminders or maybe customer support, many features that we have introduced into the platform. And then one of the important things is, as your kid moves to the next level, or maybe you have some scenarios where you have to change the batches, or maybe you have to take a gap or whatnot, you don't have to worry about finding the next teacher. So we as a Saptara, we ensure that we provide you the right teacher, and we basically provide using that consistent and structured curriculum based training, so that regardless of what your kid is learning, or maybe which level they are at, or maybe what your situation is, we basically at Saptara, we basically take care of basically all of your needs when it comes to teacher standpoint. And then for the teachers, Saptara takes care of all of the logistics. So the teachers are continuously focusing on teaching, kind of getting to know about student, understanding their needs, and kind of focusing on teaching and what is the best way to teach them, so that the teachers are not necessarily distracted by other logistics. And then apart from basically teaching, focusing on teaching, they also learn a lot of tips and tricks, and they learn a lot from the vast network of teachers that we have, so that even as they are teaching to the kids, even teachers are learning continuously, that will ultimately translate into basically teaching it to students. So again, that's at the very high level. And as I said, basically, I know you're all waiting to hear from the teacher, and also Ramachari Garu as well, who is going to join very soon, but wanted to provide a very quick high level overview of what Saptara is. Amar, back over to you.
Thank you, Navin. Thank you very much for that detailed information. These are the courses that we are offering right now. In vocal, we are offering Carnatic music, and then in the musical instruments, we are offering piano, guitar, and violin. And in art, we are offering drawing, sketching, and other fine art courses. We are working on bringing more courses to our platform, and right now we are working on yoga and mythology. This is more towards kids focused yoga and mythology courses that we are going to introduce very soon. If you need more information about the courses, you can go to saptara.com, and if you can join us in Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube to get more updates. And we are updating more content in our YouTube channel on daily basis. So if you want to receive more updates, just join us in Facebook and Instagram, or you can subscribe to our newsletter directly from the saptora.com. With that, we will conclude the information about Saptora, and we will introduce our teacher, renowned teacher, Srimati Kalyani Vibhasham Garu. And Kalyani Garu, I think I will ask you to take over, and you can talk about yourself, and then we can start with student introduction.
Sure అండి. ఇప్పుడు నమస్కారం అండి.
Hello, Kalyani
Yes,
garu.
and yeah.
We can hear you.
నమస్కారం అండి. నమస్కారం.
Yeah. And before we get started, are there any parents or family members in families who are not native Telugu speakers? Anybody does not understand Telugu?
Yeah, we don't understand Telugu. We speak Tamil. Yeah.
Okay, thank you, Akila. Yeah, okay, most of the session will be in English, but there may be times when we may be using a little bit of Telugu, but we'll make sure that the most of it will be delivered in English so that you can understand.
Yeah.
So only one Tamil student is there. Apart from that, all can understand Telugu.
Maybe.
That's correct.
Yes.
That's what it looks like.
Okay. So my blessings to all the children, all the kids who are attending this session today. God bless you all. So first, let me introduce about music. Music is very sweet subject. Okay. If you learn music, there are many more benefits. When you learn music, Nana, you will get many benefits from this subject. It's a divine subject. So it gives you so much discipline, and you can have you will learn the subject as well as some kind of discipline from this vocal music. Not only vocal, any kind of music, you will learn all those. Okay. So first, let me check all your voices, and one by one, you please introduce yourself. Then I will listen your voice. Okay.
And Kalyani, one quick thing.
Is this first time?
One quick thing. Yeah, maybe if you can, before we ask the kids to introduce, it would be very helpful and good if you can introduce about yourself. We know we have years of experience and you have many accomplishments. I think for the benefit of parents, if you can do that, that would be very helpful. Andy.
About myself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. From the past 35 years, I'm teaching Carnatic music vocal in Vijayawada and Hyderabad. Earlier, I was in Vijayawada, and now I'm in Hyderabad. So I'm running 2 branches. My academy is, I'm teaching music. It's my own academy, Surya Prabha Sangeet Academy. From that, I have been teaching from 35 years. And I learned music from my mother, and my mother learned from from her father. So mine is the 6th generation in my family who learned music. My grandfather is Sangeeta Ganita Ashtavadhani. In music and maths, he did Ashtavadhanam, my grandfather. So that is my hereditary in music. And I did MA in music and MA in English. My father is an English lecturer, and I learned from my mother. Initially, my mother is Surya Prabha. So on her name only, she is no more. On her name only, I started the Surya Prabha Music Academy, and I'm an All India graded artist, All India radio artist also, and awards and all I took. And I online I taught earlier. I taught this. Teluguone.com. Teluguone.com. I taught in that like Annamacharya Kritis and all. I taught from Teluguone.com, and TV5 channel is there. In that through channel, Hindu Dharmam channel, TV5, it's a branch of TV5, Hindu Dharmam channel. In that I taught Carnatic music, more than 60 episodes I did in that channel. I taught music through that channel, Carnatic music. So because of COVID, I stopped going to the channel and take shooting and attend shooting and all, because of for the time being I stopped. Otherwise, in US also, very good viewership was there in US also, that channel. What next?
That's really good then.
Yeah.
Yeah, like I said, like
Yeah.
6 years of vocal experience, and basically pursuing, and very good to know that we are basically you're on All India Radio and many famous TV channels. Very good, Andy. Thank you.
So we will ask Ramachari Garu to give quick introduction. Hello, Ramachari Garu. You are on mute, sir. Ramachari Garu, you are on mute.
Yeah, hi Andy, hi. My belated wishes, happy Dasara.
Thank you very much, sir.
So can I see all of you? Can you put your videos on?
All the students and parents, can you please turn on your videos?
Yeah, even
More, I think you disabled the cameras. It seems like we are unable to enable the camera.
Okay, let me see.
I'm seeing the host is disabled.
Can you check now?
okay.
No, still the
Let
same.
me do. Okay, let me do one thing. Okay, now.
Okay, can I see all the parents also?
Yes.
I'm getting my voice back, like
It is echoing. Let me.
resounding, reverb, like repeat. My sound is repeating. Can you all put on your videos on? So ఇంకా చాలా మంది వీడియోస్ ఆఫ్ చేసుకున్నారు.
You disabled my camera. Can you
Yeah.
You disabled everyone's camera.
సరే అదే చూడండి, టెక్నికల్ ఏదో ఇష్యూ ఉంది. Can you all see me?
Yes.
Can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
I request all others also to. Yeah, Pradeep garu, Naga, Anusha, మీ వీడియోస్ ఆన్ చేసుకుంటారా? ప్రదీప్ గారు, Naga, Anusha garu. Can parents also sit with the kid so that I can talk to you? Pradeep garu, Pradeep Mettu garu. Yeah. Oh, Saptora. Are you from Saptora? Prasad garu also is here. Okay. Right. So, Tanvi, I can't see you, Amma.
Her video is not working, sir.
Okay. Can you see me, Nana?
Yes, I can see you.
Okay, Nana. Right. Andariki namaskaram, parents andariki namaskaram.
Namaskaram Ali.
Yeah, na పేరు రామాచారి. నీకు తెలియకపోవచ్చు, నేను మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్ని, సింగర్ని. అలాగే మ్యూజిక్ పిల్లలకి ఇండియాలో మ్యూజిక్ నేర్పిస్తుంటాను. ఇప్పుడు మీకు ఇక్కడ నేర్పిన కళ్యాణి గారు చాలా చాలా బెస్ట్, వన్ ఆఫ్ ది బెస్ట్ మ్యూజిక్ టీచర్స్ ఇన్ ఇండియా, ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్. షీ స్టేస్ ఇన్ హైదరాబాద్ and she has so many students, and she's grooming so many students. She's well experienced and well qualified. She's MA music. Her qualification is she did her MA in music. So, and also she's an approved music director for TTD, Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam. వాళ్ళు కొంతమంది మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్స్ ని వాళ్ళు అఫీషియల్ గా వాళ్ళు సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నారు. అందులో షీ ఈజ్ వన్ ఆఫ్ ది మ్యూజిక్ డైరెక్టర్స్ ఫర్ తిరుమల తిరుపతి దేవస్థానం, అండ్ కంపోజింగ్ న్యూ అన్నమ్ ఫర్ TTD. She is well qualified singer and music director and music teacher. So, and more than anything, she has lot of patience. Chala patience unna teacher ame. Always she smiles at students. She will never yell at students. Children, you are so lucky to have this teacher, because she never shouts at any of her students. You know, she always smiles. Okay, and మీరు ఎన్ని తప్పులు పాడినా ఆమె కోపం తెచ్చుకోరు. టీచర్ స్మైల్ తో చెప్తారు, మీకు కన్విన్సింగ్ గా చెప్తారు. Do you like that? Do you want your teacher to be very serious or cheerful? Can I hear you, children? Can I hear you? Do you want your teacher to be very serious?
No.
No. Do you want your teacher to be very yeah. One more question. Do you want your teacher to be friendly, cheerful?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
So she is such. So your teacher Kalyani madam is a cheerful teacher always. She smiles at you and she will teach you with smiling. Okay. She is so friendly teacher. She will never be serious. She will never shout at any of her students. Do you like that?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So you just listen to her and learn. When she is singing, you listen carefully. You try to understand the Shruti, particularly Shruti. సో పేరెంట్స్కి ఒక విజ్ఞప్తి ఏంటంటే, ఈ సింగర్స్ అనేది చెప్పాను కదండి మీకు, బార్న్ స్కిల్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళే సింగర్స్ అవుతారంటే శృతి ఉంటుంది, అందరికీ ఉండదు. ఒక 1% వాళ్ళకే శృతి ఉంటుంది. అయితే మిగతా వాళ్ళు మ్యూజిక్ నేర్చుకోలేరా అంటే నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ నేర్చుకోవచ్చు, గిటార్ నేర్చుకోవచ్చు, సితార్ నేర్చుకోవచ్చు, పియానో నేర్చుకోవచ్చు, తబలా నేర్చుకోవచ్చు. కానీ సింగింగ్ అనేది ఒక 1% వాళ్ళకే ఆ శృతి ఉంటుంది. అయితే ఈ శృతి అనేది మనం మళ్ళీ ఇందులో 3 కేటగిరీస్ ఉంటారండి. కొంతమంది పిల్లలు చిన్నప్పుడే శృతి వచ్చేస్తుంది వాళ్ళకి. అది వాళ్ళు మాటలు రాగానే ఏదైనా పాట వినగానే శృతిలో పాడతారు. అది ఫస్ట్ కేటగిరీ. సెకండ్ కేటగిరీ ఏంటంటే ఇలా నేర్పిస్తున్నాం కొద్దీ శృతి వస్తుంది. సెకండ్ కేటగిరీ వాళ్ళకి నేర్పిస్తూ శృతి వచ్చేస్తుంది. థర్డ్ కేటగిరీ ఎంత నేర్పించినా రాదు. ఒక 10-15 క్లాసెస్ తర్వాత మీకు తెలిసిపోతుంది. 15-20 క్లాసెస్ అయినా కూడా వాళ్ళకి శృతి రాలేదనుకోండి, అప్పుడు వాళ్ళకి సింగర్స్ కాదు. వాళ్ళు సింగర్స్ అవ్వరు. వాళ్ళు ఏదైనా ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్ నేర్చుకోవాలి. వాళ్ళు మ్యూజిషియన్స్ అవుతారు కానీ సింగర్స్ అవ్వలేరు. సో పేరెంట్స్ ఇది మీకు తెలియాలి. ఎందుకంటే ఇది మన చేతిలో ఉన్నది కాదు, ఇది భగవంతుడు ఇచ్చేది. అట్లా ఒకళ్ళకి సింగింగ్ లో టాలెంట్ లేదనుకోండి, వాళ్ళు వరి అవ్వాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు. వాళ్ళకి ఇంకో దాంట్లో ఇస్తాడు దేవుడు. ఎందుకంటే there are 64 కళలు ఉంటాయి. there are different skills. కొంతమంది అద్భుతంగా డ్రాయింగ్, పెయింటింగ్ వేస్తుంటారు, కొంతమంది అద్భుతంగా డాన్స్ వేస్తారు, కొంతమంది అద్భుతంగా యాంకరింగ్ చేస్తారు, కొంతమంది అద్భుతంగా యాక్టింగ్ చేస్తారు, యాక్టర్స్ అవుతారు, కొంతమంది అద్భుతమైన ఒక్కొక్క సబ్జెక్ట్ లో చాలా నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటుంది. కొంతమందికి మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ లో శకుంతలా దేవి గారి లాగా కొంతమందికి చాలా నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటుంది, కొంతమందికి ఫిజిక్స్ లో నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంటుంది. అలా దేవుడు ఏం చేస్తాడంటే ఒక్కొక్కళ్ళకి ఒక్కొక్క బార్ని స్కిల్ ఇస్తాడు. ఒక స్కిల్ ఉన్న వాళ్ళకి ఇంకో స్కిల్ లేకపోతే బాధపడతాడు. ఇప్పుడు బాగా బెస్ట్ సింగర్ కి వాళ్ళకి చదువు సరిగ్గా ఉండకపోవచ్చు, డాన్స్ రాకపోవచ్చు వాళ్ళకి. బెస్ట్ సింగర్ మే నాట్ బి ఎ గుడ్ డాన్సర్, బెస్ట్ డాన్సర్ మే నాట్ బి ఎ గుడ్ ఆర్టిస్ట్. అట్లా ఒక్కొక్కళ్ళకి ఒక టాలెంట్ దేవుడు ఇస్తాడు. ఇప్పుడు మీ పిల్లల్లో కూడా ప్రతి వాళ్ళకి ఇస్తాడండి, ఏదో ఒకటి ఇస్తాడు. అందరికి సింగింగ్ అట్లా అందుకే తెస్తాడు. ఒక్కొక్కళ్ళకి ఒక్కొక్క జీవికి ఒక్కొక్క టాలెంట్ ఇచ్చి పంపిస్తాడు ఈ భూమికి. అప్పుడు మీరు ఏంటంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ నేర్పించండి మేడం దగ్గర. అలా నేర్చుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత కొన్ని క్లాసెస్ తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మనం ఒక్కొక్కరిని టెస్ట్ చేద్దాం. చేశాక ఒకవేళ అప్పుడు కూడా శృతి రాలేదనుకోండి, అప్పుడు వాళ్ళని ఒక ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్కి మనం షిఫ్ట్ చేద్దాం. మీ ఇష్టం వచ్చిన, కొంతమందికి గిటార్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది, కొంతమంది సితార్ ఉంటుంది, కొంతమంది ఫ్లూట్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటుంది, కొంతమంది పియానో ఉంటుంది, కొంతమందికి రిథమ్ ఇన్స్ట్రుమెంట్స్, జాజ్ డ్రమ్స్ ఇలాంటివి ఇంట్రెస్ట్ ఉంటాయి, తబలా. అట్లా మనం చేద్దాం. ఇది మన చేతిలో ఉన్నది కాదండి. ఎవరు ఏ సైంటిస్ట్ కూడా శృతి పెట్టలేడు ఎవరికి. ఇప్పుడు మా ఇంట్లో కూడా మేము సింగర్స్ కదా, మా ఇంట్లో కూడా సింగర్స్ పుట్టాలని ఏం లేదండి. ఇప్పుడు మీరు పెద్ద పెద్ద సింగర్స్ పిల్లలు ఎవరు సింగర్స్ కాదు. చూడండి, పెద్ద పెద్ద సింగర్స్ మీరు కొంత పరిశీలించండి. ఎంతమంది సింగర్స్ పిల్లలు సింగర్స్ అయ్యారు? అవరు. అది దేవుడు ఇచ్చే శృతి ఉండాలి. సో ఇప్పుడు మేడం ఏంటంటే చాలా ఓపిక్గా నేర్పిస్తారు మీకు. కొంతకాలం తర్వాత మళ్ళీ మనం టెస్ట్ చేసినప్పుడు షీ కెన్ డిసైడ్ ఎవరెవరికి శృతి ఉంది, ఎవరెవరికి శృతి లేదు. ఫస్ట్ కేటగిరీ ఏమో వెంటనే శృతి తెలిసిపోతుంది వాళ్ళకి. 2-3 years 4 yearsకే వాళ్ళు శృతిలో పాడుతుంటారు. సెకండ్ కేటగిరీ నేర్పించిన కొద్దీ వస్తుంది, అది సెకండ్ కేటగిరీ. థర్డ్ కేటగిరీ ఎన్ని 100 classes తర్వాత కూడా శృతి రాదు. ఇది అండర్లైన్ చేసుకోండి అందరు మీరు. మళ్ళీ ఎవరు కూడా సప్తోరాని బ్లేమ్ చేయొద్దు. సప్తోరా విల్ ట్రై, సప్తోరా టీచర్స్ విల్ ట్రై దేర్ బెస్ట్ టు టీచ్ దెమ్ 100% ప్రాపర్లీ. చిత్తశుద్ధితో నేర్పించడానికి ట్రై చేస్తారు. ఇక వాళ్ళు ఏ కేటగిరీలోకి వస్తారనేది విల్ వెయిట్ అండ్ సీ. ఓకే అండి, ఎనీ డౌట్? మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉందా? కాకపోతే మీరు కన్సిస్టెన్సీతో కూర్చొని నేర్చుకొని ఏదైతే హోంవర్క్ టీచర్ ఇచ్చారో ఆ హోంవర్క్ మీరు చేయించండి పేరెంట్స్. కొంతమంది ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఓన్లీ టీచర్ దగ్గర కూర్చున్నప్పుడే పాడతారు, మళ్ళీ టీచర్ దగ్గరికి వచ్చినప్పుడే పాడతారు. ఆ మధ్యలో హోంవర్క్ జరగదు, వాళ్ళకి కూడా రాదు, వాళ్ళకి కూడా సరిగ్గా రాదు. సో మీరు వేరే సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఎలా సీరియస్గా హోంవర్క్ చేస్తారో, మీరు జనరల్గా మీకు ఫిజిక్స్, మ్యాథమెటిక్స్, కంప్యూటర్ సైన్సెస్ ఎంత సీరియస్ చేస్తారో అదే సీరియస్నెస్ ఇక్కడ కూడా పెట్టండి పేరెంట్స్. I know you are all busy, but you take some time even for this subject. ఎందుకంటే మ్యూజిక్ ఆల్సో ఈజ్ అ సైన్స్ లైక్ ఎనీ అదర్ సైన్సెస్. ఒక ఫిజిక్స్ ఎలాగో, ఒక మ్యాథమెటిక్స్ ఎలాగో, ఒక చార్టెడ్ అకౌంటెన్సీ ఎలాగో, ఒక మెడిసిన్ ఎలాగో, మ్యూజిక్ కూడా అలాగే. ఇది ఒక సైన్స్. ఇది కూడా వాటికి ఎంత సీరియస్గా మీరు ప్రాక్టీస్ చేస్తారో దీనికి కూడా అంతే టైం పెట్టి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయాలి. చేస్తేనే వస్తుందండి. మ్యూజిక్ ఈజ్ నాట్ ఏ పార్ట్ టైం ఎడ్యుకేషన్. మ్యూజిక్ ఈజ్ నాట్ షార్ట్ టర్మ్ కోర్స్. ఇది ఒకవేళ అట్లా అనుకున్నా అంతనే వస్తుంది. మనం ఎంత నేర్చుకుంటే అంతే వస్తుంది. మాకు టైం లేదండి, 2% టైం ఉందంటే 2% వస్తుంది మ్యూజిక్. సో అది ఎందుకంటే రిజల్ట్ అనేది ఫ్రాంక్గా ఉంటుంది, మనకేమి దాని మొహమాటం ఉండదు. మనకి ఎంత తీసుకుంటే అంతే వస్తుంది. కాబట్టి ఐ రిక్వెస్ట్ ఆల్ ది పేరెంట్స్ టు గివ్ ఈక్వల్ ప్రయారిటీ యాజ్ యు ఆర్ గివింగ్ ప్రయారిటీ టు యువర్ కంప్యూటర్ సైన్సెస్, మ్యాథమెటిక్స్, సైన్స్. వాటికి ఎలా ఇస్తారో దీనికి కూడా అంత ప్రయారిటీ టైం ఇచ్చి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయించండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ మై హంబుల్ సజెషన్. ఓకే అండి, ఎనీ క్వశ్చన్? బట్ టీచర్ అయితే చాలా మంచి టీచర్, మీరు ఇంకా అవైల్ చేసుకోండి, అంతకంటే ఏం లేదు. అంత ఓపిక్గా నేర్పించే టీచర్స్ తక్కువ ఉంటారు. ఐ రిక్వెస్టెడ్ హర్ టు టీచ్ యూ. యాక్చువల్గా షీ సో బిజీ, బట్ నేను రిక్వెస్ట్ చేశాను సప్తార కోసం. సో మేము చాలా మంచి ఫ్రెండ్స్ కాబట్టి ఆమె నాకు మాట కాదనలేక నేర్పిస్తుంది. షీ హ్యాస్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ పేషెన్స్. ఇంకా మీరు అవైల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు పిల్లలు. So you will enjoy her class, her teaching, and you listen carefully and do your homework properly. Okay, Nana? God bless you. I wish all of you all the best, and you all learn properly, practice properly, and rock. Okay? Enjoy the class particularly. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir.
God bless. So నేను అప్పుడు వచ్చి చూస్తుంటాను మీ క్లాసులు, తర్వాత ఇవాల్యుయేట్ చేస్తాను ఎప్పుడన్నా ఒకసారి వచ్చి. సో డోంట్ వరీ. సో కీప్ లెర్నింగ్. గాడ్ బ్లెస్ యూ. బాయ్ బాయ్.
Next, thank you Ramachitra garu. So next we are going to give you few details about the course schedule and what will happen next.
So can I log out, sir?
Yes, sir. I think you can log out. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye. Good luck and andariki namaskaram.
Sing a song.
Who?
Nakshatra.
Yeah, you can sing. I'll paadu.
Go ahead, Nakshatra.
Bala Tripura Sundari Kai Kono Maharati Kanalola Jala Mela Tari Chupuma Sundarangi Andaru Mi Satiraruga సందేహములు అందముగా తీర్చుమంటిని. ఓం భీం శ్రీం ఎనుచుమడిని తొలచుచుంటిని, రాశిగా సిరి సంపదలిచి ప్రోవమంతిని. ఓం భీం శ్రీం ఎనుచుమడిని తొలచుచుంటిని, రాశిగా సిరి సంపదలిచి ప్రోవమంతిని. బాల త్రిపుర సుందరి గైకొను మహారతి, కానలోల జాలమెల దారి చూపుమా, కానలోల జాలమెల దారి చూపుమా.
That's really nice, Nakshatra. Yeah. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah. So we will quickly go over the details what will happen next. The next step would be, today we completed the evaluation for most of the kids, and then based on the evaluation we will divide the kids into 2 groups, and we will give you the timings of when the batch will start for those groups. And then for those kids who are not able to do the evaluation today, please send an email to vocal@saptora.com with a video of your child singing. If any of you are not able to sing today and get evaluated by the teacher today, just send an email to vocal@saptora.com. For those who completed the evaluation, we will give you the details of which group they will belongs to, and then we will follow up with you for the enrollment. So the next batches, basically there are 2 batches that we have. One is, okay, give me a second. One is Bhavam. As Ramachari Garu already told you, the kids who needs a little bit of practice to sing in Shruti, they will be enrolled in Bhavam, where the same teacher will teach the course and the same material will be provided to the kids, but the pace of teaching will change. Teacher will be, she will have to teach little bit different to the kids who don't have Shruti yet, to get them into the Shruti. And then the other batch is Ragam, where if the teacher already determines that the kid has the Shruti, then those kids will go into Ragam, and then the date and time will be communicated to you soon. In 1 or 2 days we will communicate the date and time for that batch as well. And then the class schedule is once a week, and the batch size would be around 8 students, and based on the experience level and based on the focus that a kid needs at that particular level, this batch size may vary. This may go, the batch size may decrease if the teacher determines that there are 2 students at a higher level that need to spend a lot of time and they need to practice basically a bit lengthier songs, then the teacher will determine the size of the batch and she will adjust the size of the batch accordingly. The next section is question and answers. If the parents have any questions about the process or what is expected next, and if you have any questions you can ask, we will try to answer those questions now. If you are in mute, you can unmute yourself and ask any questions.
Only 1 class per week?
Right now we are starting with 1 class per week, and we are getting the feedback from teachers as well that we may have to increase the number of classes per week. That we will determine in the next after a few classes we will determine if it is better to add extra classes.
Okay. So
What is the duration of the classes, Andy?
Duration will be 60 minutes.
1 hour.
Yes.
So for 4 classes, it's $60.
Yes. Those are the starting prices. We are a new startup, and those are the starting prices for anyone joining now.
And so you said batches would be, I mean, each batch will have 8 to 10 students, but if
That-
there are more
They
more
basically
students,
we will split multiple batches, and if the student has experience and he needs more focused time to learn complicated subjects, then the batch size may decrease based on the feedback from teacher.
How long the total music classes, or how long it will take for kid to learn the music?
I think that maybe Kalyani garu may be able to answer that. So
Yeah, music depends on the individual, Andy. Because some may learn a 1 year course in 6 months, some may learn 6 months course 1 year or 2 years, like that. Depends on the individual person. Unless I see at least few classes, we can't assess a student like how long time and all this.
Okay. Generally, intermediate student could learn in 4 to 5 years or 6 years or so, madam?
It's not depends on intermediate or it's not depends on their age, depends on their voice and grasping level.
Yeah, I mean, intermediate level means medium level students, like, not so excellent or not so slow. That level of students I was asking.
Yeah.
And also, as Ramacharika told you, the reason why we want Ramacharika to give us advice is, as a company, we may not have that much knowledge about this particular course, but the feedback that we are getting from Ramacharika is there are 3 pillars in this learning. One is student, other one is teachers, and the other one is parents. We need the involvement of all the 3 pillars in this, and as Saptora, we will take care of all the logistics and everything else, and we want the parents, teachers, and kids to focus on only their learning. And I think Ramacharika might join 1 or 2 classes again to teach to set those expectations. It is not like you will enroll the students in the class and then your responsibility is done as a parent. Especially when the Ramacharika is teaching the class and he is advising the class, he may insist on the parents' participation as well, to make sure that the kids are progressing at a steady pace. And if there is any feedback that Ramacharika wants to give to the parents, he will provide that feedback directly to the parents as well. And I think this is the Saptora's vocal program might be a little bit different than any other vocal program that you are right now attending. The main difference would be at least Ramacharika will expect some participation of the parents in the learning process, and that is the reason he insisted on takes vocal course also as serious as any other course that you are taking, like any computer science class or any other class. So that same kind of seriousness Ramacharika wants to ensure that the parents will have when he is teaching the courses. And with that focus, I think we will be able to basically at least assure you, the parents, that the kids will learn as fast as they can learn with all the support they are getting from parents as well as teachers. So any other questions? Okay, if there are no other questions, we will wrap this meeting up, and we will send a follow-up email to all the parents on what the process will be. Even though we discussed that in today's meeting, we will send those details again, so that you can make an informed decision on how to enroll and other things.
So will the course or the program be monitored or administered by Ramachari Garu, and Kalyani Garu be the teacher?
Kalyani garu will be the teacher, and Ramacharika garu may periodically join the classes.
Yeah, you're right, Andy. The course and everything is administered by Ramachari Garu. Yes, but the Kalyani Garu is the teacher. You're right.
And Saptora will be the organization where, you know, it is organizing all this, or?
We are an academy, and we basically, Ramachari Garu is our advisor. He's designing our course for this Saptora, and then he's the basically in a regular school perspective, we may say him as a head of vocal department for us.
Thank you.
So Ramachari Garu will teach light music, right? So we
Yes.
expect that also.
Once the students are to teach for the Ramachari Garu to teach light music, he needs students to finish the Carnatic music at least I think beginner or intermediate level Carnatic music. Then only Ramachari Garu will start teaching light music. But yes, once you are able to successfully demonstrate that you have the knowledge in classical music and Carnatic music, he will start basically once the next batch starts for Ramachari Garu, there will be again one more evaluation when Ramachari Garu starts light music batches. Once the kid is able to complete Carnatic music, he will take them to light music.
Oh, he will also teach in this online classes.
Yes.
He will be there.
Correct.
That's good. Thank you.
మా పిల్లలకి నేర్చుకోవచ్చా అండి ఇప్పుడు లైట్ మ్యూజిక్ మీరు చూసారు కదా
Basically for light music
లో ఉన్నారు
అవి basically personally I may not be able to answer
through.
Go ahead, Navi.
Okay.
Yeah, quick clarification, Andy. So Ramachari Garu right now, you know, as you all know, he's focused on teaching light music through outside Saptora, but he's working with us to have that Carnatic focused programs, and that's where he's acting as the advisor. And right now, Ramachari Garu is and the team, like in Kalyani Garu lanti vallu like vera teachers kuda, they are focused only on Carnatic vocal at this point through Saptora. So in the Amar cheppinattu meeku if whether your kid is eligible for light music or not, something we can work with Ramachari Garu and then determine the next steps. But through Saptora, right now we are giving only Carnatic vocal.
Okay.
Yeah, beginner levels, which is a prerequisite for the light music.
Okay, thank you, Andy. Yeah.
Okay.
Any question and your point of contact gurinchi adugutunnara?
వినపడ్డట్టు అడిగింది మాట్లాడింది వినపడ్డట్టు పాయింట్.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. The question is about point of contact, Andy. It's saptora.com ki velte we have our various channels or various ways to contact us. Maybe email cheyochu. There is a customer service number you can contact there, or there is also contact us form. So we have multiple channels through which you can contact us. And make your one of the founders, one of the Saptora team members, if you make direct touch lo unna kuda connect cheyandi.
ఓకే అండి, థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
I think that's all for this meeting. Thank you very much, Kalyani Garu. I think it's late for you, but thank you very much for joining the session.
Thank you so much, Andy.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Andy. Kalyani Garu.
Thank you a lot, Andy.
Thank you, Kalyani Garu. Thank you, Saptora team.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, everyone.
Yeah, thank you, Saptora team. Thank you.
Thank you.